much of a game, Todd.
No, and not much of a surprise either. Maybe.
Yeah?
Maybe something is gonna jump out of them.
Like a Jack-in-the-Box.
Yeah. No. So what are they for?
And what's the surprise?
I don't know, Tizzy.
Mr. Beast!
Hey!
What was that?
It made a meme sound effect.
Stand on it again, Todd.
Okay. Here I go.
Mr. Beast!
That was really good.
Maybe this one makes noise too.